Every week I ended feeling busy but unsure if I actually made progress. I didn't know what was working, what wasn't, and I kept repeating the same mistakes. I tried doing weekly reviews manually, but I either skipped them or spent too long reflecting with no real insight. So I tried something new. I automated my weekly review using AI. Now it takes less than 10 minutes, and the clarity is insane. Today I'll show you the exact step-by-step system so you can automate your weekly review too. Most people don't improve because they don't reflect. They just repeat the same week again and again and call it progress. No reflection equals no learning. But reflection feels slow, emotional, and confusing. So instead of thinking harder, I let AI think objectively for me. Step 1. Collect your raw weekly data. All week, I capture tiny pieces of data, wins, challenges, tasks completed, habits, and emotional notes, in a simple list. Nothing fancy, no judging, just collecting. At the end of the week, I copy everything into one place. Open any notes app. Create a single note called Weekly Log. All week, write small bullet points under it. No full sentences, no paragraphs. Step 2. Let AI analyze your week. At the end of the week, I paste everything into AI with this prompt. This is my weekly log. Analyze it objectively. Identify patterns, major wins, mistakes, energy drains, and biggest opportunities for improvement. Then summarize it into bullet points. Instead of emotional judgment, I get data-based clarity. AI shows the truth, not my feelings. Copy your weekly log, paste into Claude AI or ChatGPT. Paste the prompt above. Read the insights slowly. Step 3. Convert insights into an improvement. Then I ask AI to turn the insights into actionable changes for the coming week, instead of vague ideas. Turn these insights into a simple improvement plan with 3 priorities and the first steps to implement them. Now instead of a long list of ideas, I have 3 clear priorities. Progress becomes direction, not pressure. Ask AI for the 3 priorities and choose one to start tomorrow. Small wins are greater than unrealistic goals. Step 4. Store and track progress in Notion. I paste my summary and priorities into a page called Weekly Review Dashboard in Notion AI with 3 sections. What worked, what didn't, what to improve. Watching progress stack week after week is incredibly motivating. You literally see your life leveling up. Create a page named Weekly Review Dashboard. Add 3 sections, paste your results. Add next week's priorities. Reflection becomes a repeatable system. Before this system, weeks blurred together and I felt busy but directionless. After automating my weekly review, I felt clarity, control, and confidence. I stopped repeating the same mistakes and started improving deliberately. AI didn't change my life. It changed how I think about my life. Try this today. 1. Create a weekly log. 2. Paste it into AI. 3. Get your insights. 4. Turn them into 3 priorities. 5. Start one priority tomorrow. Comment review if you're doing it. If this video helped you even a little, hit the like button, it really supports the channel. And if you want more practical systems like this, subscribe and turn on notifications. Before you go, comment review below if you're committing to trying this system for 24 hours. Let's grow together. See you in the next video.